Hi Emma, how are you today? Hi Ali, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm doing well, a little tired, but okay. Why are you tired? I worked late last night and woke up early this morning. Oh, that sounds exhausting. Did you sleep well? Not really. I slept only 5 hours. That's not enough. You should rest more. I know. So, what do you usually do in the morning? I wake up at 7 a.m., brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I get dressed. Do you have breakfast after that? Yes, I always have breakfast. I usually have coffee and some bread. What about you? I usually skip breakfast because I'm in a rush.
Oh, you shouldn't.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. You're right, I'll try to start having breakfast. So, do you work or study? I work. I'm an office assistant. That sounds interesting. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. It's sometimes stressful, but overall, I enjoy it. I like my colleagues and the work environment. What do you do after work? What's your evening routine? After work, I usually go straight home. I cook dinner and then I relax and watch TV. Do you have any hobbies or things you like to do in your free time? Yes, I love reading books. It helps me unwind. I also enjoy walking in the park, especially when the weather is nice. How about you, Ali? Well, right now, my main hobby is learning English. But sometimes it's really difficult. I get frustrated. Don't worry about that. Making mistakes is a normal and essential part of learning. Everyone makes them, I know, but I feel like my progress is slow. I understand. But, you're doing great just by having this conversation. I try to practice every day. I listen to English podcasts and watch movies. That's the best way to improve. Consistent practice is key. Keep it up and you'll see a big difference. Thanks, Emma. Your encouragement means a lot. So, changing the subject, what kind of food do you like? I'm a big fan of Italian food. I love pasta and pizza. Me too, it's delicious. Do you cook at home a lot? Sometimes, when I have the time and energy, but I also enjoy eating at restaurants, trying new places. What do you usually do on weekends? On weekends, I mostly relax. I try to catch up on sleep, read, and sometimes I visit my family. They live in a nearby town. That sounds really nice and relaxing, a perfect way to recharge for the week. It is. What about your future plans, Ollie? What are you hoping to achieve? Well, my biggest goal right now is to improve my English so I can communicate fluently. But after that, I want to find a better job, maybe something that uses my English skills. Those are excellent goals. With your dedication, I'm sure you will achieve them. Thanks. And what about you? What are your future plans? I want to travel more. There are so many places I want to see. I also want to keep learning new skills to help my career grow. Traveling sounds amazing. Where would you like to go first? I think my first trip would be to Japan. I'm fascinated by the culture. Wow, that's a great choice. Well, Emma, it was really nice talking to you. I learned a lot. It was nice talking to you too, Ollie. I enjoyed our chat. See you next time. You too. Bye.